What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here, we are going to react to JM De La Serna kasi kumanta siya ng One Last Cry, and One Last Cry is one of my favorite Brian McKnight song. One of my favorite Brian McKnight songs. One of the many songs that Brian McKnight has. No, so I'm curious kung paano to laruin ni JM kasi JM has a very wide range style. Yung versatility niya, grabe. As a singer, as a performer, talagang pwede siya sa lahat ng genre. Although may forte talaga siya, but in general, napaka-versatile na performer at singer ni JM De La Serna. So, I'm excited paano niya ito laruin. My shattered dreams and broken heart I'm ending on. Oh, di ba napakanta ko eh. Anyway, one of my favorite songs. So, if bago kayo dito, mag-subscribe kayo. Do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Uy, uupuan lang. Ang galing. I love that alteration. Gotta leave it all behind. Gotta leave it all behind. Yun yung original eh. Galing nga, nagulat ako sa alteration na yun. First time kong marinig yung ganun. I think as a singer, yung isa sa mga napakaganda about JM De La Serna is yung transitions niya in terms sa vocal placements na ginagamit niya while singing. So, alam na alam niya yung boses niya, man. Napaka-swabe. Like, swabing-swabe. And yung dynamics niya as a singer, talagang, alam niya paano laruin yung kailan na parang imomodulate, kailan parang soft tones. So, talagang meron siyang puso sa pag-awit. Nice! Swabe nun. Solid naman nun. Ang powerful nung buga na yan, yung chest. Eto. Nice. Beautiful. Cry. Nice. Ulitin nga natin. Ulitin natin. Sorry. this time. Nice. Ito. Kiss round. Galing talaga, man. Basic na basic sa kanya yung kanta. Walang challenge. Ito, may money note dito eh. Ito. Suabe. Suabeng-suabe talaga. Binuga eh. Suabe. May ganun eh sa last. Basic. Nice. Binasic lang tayo ng One Last Cry ni JM. Kaya gustong-gusto ko si JM as a singer, no? Sa OPM dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. It's because of her versatility. Ang wide nung niya, influence niya, yung pwede niyang gawin sa boses niya, no? Dami niyang alam gawin. Nakaka-adjust, swabe sa transition, sa dynamics, and meron talagang hugot, may puso. Marami ngayong mga singer na magagaling, pero medyo kulang sa puso, no? So, yun yung mga gusto ko sa Jamiel, okay, kay Mariel at kay JM. So, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one. So, do follow me on my Facebook, okay? On Instagram and on TikTok, okay? So, that's it. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.